Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat something really spicy and you just kind of like chill out and watch. And today I've got something from Malaysia. It's the last of my spicy ghost pepper ones from Mamee Monster Shinsegae Daibak. This is the Kari Lontong. So Lontong itself isn't spicy. It's basically like pressed rice into little forms and stuff. But the sauce you have on Lontong is gonna be like really good. There's these Mamee ghost pepper ones, but they make stuff that isn't spicy, and they have a Mamee chef curry Lontong, which is super good. I freaking love it. I haven't had it in a while. I think they still make it. But yeah, this one should kick my butt. And here it is. So you can see. Thick noodles, nice milky looking broth. As with the other ones, I use the entire spice sachet. I don't mess around. And also, I'm going to use, hopefully it'll go well, I'm going to use a swirl fork. These are the neat, weird forks that a guy named Flavio, who posts in the group Ramen Junkies, which I'm the admin of, yeah, he makes these really groovy forks because look at all the grooves, you know. They're kind of weird to eat with, I will say that. Definitely a novelty thing, but I like to, you know, show them off every once in a while. So yeah, look at that. Swirl, swirl, swirl. But I guess it's time. I've got my napkin. And so here we got the ghost pepper. Where can we put the little clock? There's got to be a good spot for the clock, right? Can you see it there? No. Does it need to be closer? No, it needs to be further away. No? Like right here. Can you see that? You can? Well, that's just groovy. Okay. What do I need now? Hey kids! I need kids! I need kids. Miles, Mamee! Hey, come here! There's one kid. Where's Miles? There's Miles. Alright. Over here, please. Alright, so I've got the spicy noodles, so I just need your help. Can you help me out today?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, so I need a super enthusiastic, and then you can run away. Ready, set, go. Yeah?
Ready, set, go!
Alright, thank you. There. Oh my. I didn't have my drink, and I usually have a little bit of yogurt before and after, but we're out of it. I don't know what to say about that. This video should make those of you in the Ramen Junkies group who lost your minds yesterday when I told you that. Usually, so I review a lot of noodles, a lot. Now I like to do about 3 a day. And a lot of people get really bent out of shape for some reason. And I understand the whole aversity to wastefulness. But I don't eat all 3 a day. And I don't do it to be wasteful. In fact, even though I don't eat them all and I throw most of it away, I take a pack of instant noodles and I spend a lot of time with it. There's no wastefulness the way I see it. This is all part of like my process about how I do things. And I do have to, you know, I have to try the noodles and I have to try the noodles and the broth and all that stuff, and that's my review. I do it before I add anything to it, and then once it's all done with that, it goes down the drain. It's been said, can't you go to like a soup kitchen and do your videos there? No. Can't you like coordinate with people who are hungry? No. I get where you're coming from. I understand. But it's just not going to happen. I'm not going to spend I have such little time. I have time to just sit there and go, hey, at this date and time, I need you to come over to my house and eat a bowl of instant noodles. There's no win either, because all of a sudden, if I was having people come over to eat instant noodles, you could be like, you could at least serve them a decent meal, you know? So, but I've been doing this for a long, long time, and when companies send me noodles and they give me like, say, a 4-pack, one of the packs is for the photos and stuff. One of the packs is a freshie that I can open up and use on the show. And the other 2, I give those away. I don't throw those in the trash. In fact, I've had a food bank come to my house before and given them like tons of boxes. I've donated a lot of noodles over the years, so it's just kind of weird to be painted in this picture of like I'm like this horrible, wasteful person. I'm really not. Generally, the only time that I eat a whole bowl of noodles is when I'm torturing myself with them, or when I'm sick. If I'm sick, a pack of creamy chicken with an egg in it, that's my go-to. Very rarely do I eat a bunch of noodles, because I'm not going for all those carbs. Especially right now, I just started a diet. In the last year, I gained 50 pounds. And previously, I had lost 165. So my plan is to get back down to where I was at and even lower. So man. I know it bugs a lot of people. I'm not trying to bug anybody. But anyways, this stuff's hot. And this is really hard because I've been at like between 12 and 1500 calories a day lately. Wolfing down close to 600 calories of instant noodles like this, not an easy task. Plus it's spicy. Man. And the music that's going is horrible. Come on, something better. Come on. I gotta find better tunes. Yeah. All right, time to charge through this. All right. Oh, man. Oh. All right. Done now. Got broth. There we go, now I'm done. Oh. Whew. Oh. Oh well. Yeah, that's got some freaking heat on it, man. Wow. My eyes are watering, my nose is running. Oh. Yeah, it's tasty though. That's a really tasty one. Wow. Yeah, so anyways, Ghost Pepper. Mamee Shinsegae Daibak Ghost Pepper. Kari Lontong from the beautiful, beautiful land of Malaysia. If you haven't been there, you should go. This is Manal's the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.